Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, the audience of the second international conference of lignocellulose. This presentation for the paper has a title Rapid Test of Bioethanol Raw Material, the Windy Jason Data Method Modification to Fiber Cellulose. I am Ahmad Syauqi, the corresponding author. The authors from Department of Biology of Islamic University in Malang. Introduction. Lignocellulose as intrinsic organic is the plant's residual for one of among the environmental conservation way like composting. Applying a saccharification is key in all production generation, and the lignocellulose is aimed as a raw material of bioethanol production. The experiment in this research using fungi, consortium of fungi, and these had been communicated in journal and to propose for biosaccharification. The paper has kept it is not known yet about around residual analysis for presuming the source of beta-glucose quantity in plants residual. Beta-glucose quantity from the polymer, cellulose, and hemicellulose. Therefore, it need knowledge immediately of rapid method to raw material valuation, that is a source of glucose for bioethanol fermentation. The scientific problem, how to finding out the cellulose content, which can be categorized as a simple and quick method for all types of plants. The aim of research is to compile a rapid analysis method for cellulose from resources of all environmental sectors with using beta-D-glucose hydrolysate parameter. Material and methods. These materials for the research and method using experiment with a design of one short case study. Independent variables, the hydrolysis agent, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Varies concentration of sulfuric acid 0.5 molar and 72%. A long time of soaking using 1, 2, 3, 4 hours levels in sulfuric acid 72%. Initial hydrolysis by concentration of sulfuric acid 0.5 molar and 72%. Dependent variable is mole of glucose, that's equal 6.944 times 10 power minus 4 times percent breaks and times the volume of hydrolysate times the portion of residual mineral divided by the weight of residual mineral. This is the stage in research preparation, hydrolysis agent, comparing yield, and the result and discussion. Implementation, the first method using windy test and data. The value of the fiber is not different with the reference from Putra, and hemicellulose uh, near value of 8%. This is at 10.05%. The reference for Abdel Fattah and Abdel Nabi. The percent fiber quantity of ananas leaf and banana stem is not different. Banana stem from the reference Rohana at all. The value of hydrolysis as parameter from the independent variables 0.5 molars in first step and 72% in second step. 2 hours is higher, and viewing in graph like this, the standard method using 4 hours and 2 hours has same pattern. Implementation 2 hours soaking in sulfuric acid 72% in ananas cosmosus consistent, consistent. But in banana stem, the hexus from hemicellulose higher than hexus for cellulose because follow the literature observation of banana stem is higher lignin content than ananas cosmosus. Summary: to compile method and result of rapid test, the first realization method stage has purpose to earn fiber, and it means to open the cell wall component, especially the lignin, by sodium hydroxide. The second stage, data method, and using the sulfuric acid for hydrolysis, the concentration of sulfuric acid is 0.5 molar in first step, and second step using 72% for hydrolysis cellulose. This reference and the end of this presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.